Hey y'all, and welcome to first day of proving lines parallel. So this is going to be a little bit backwards from what we've been doing. So far we've known that lines were parallel, and now we're going to prove them parallel with what we know. So there are four ways to prove lines parallel. The first way we can tell lines are parallel is if the alternate interior angles are congruent. So if you see right here, we have this 54 matches this 54. Therefore, line A would be parallel to line B. We know this because the alternate interior angles are congruent. Their numbers are equal. We can also know lines are parallel if we have congruent alternate exterior angles. So right here we have 139 matches 139. Therefore, line X is parallel to line Y because the alternate exterior angles are equal. If we have the same side interior angles adding up to 180, we also know they're parallel. So we have 13 and 167. We're going to check 13 plus 167, and it equals 180. Therefore, line F is parallel to line G. Lastly, if corresponding angles are congruent, like right here, the 125 matches 125, and those two lines are going to be parallel. So line D is congruent to line E. These are the only four ways we know if something is parallel. So let's check. Are these two lines parallel? Well, 35 and 35 are alternate interior angles. And if you remember, alternate interior angles need to be congruent. 35 is congruent to 35. Therefore, yes, A is parallel to B by alternate interior angles. Right here, are these parallel? We have 124 right here, and we have 124 right here. They're congruent, but they're not alternate interior, they're not alternate exterior, they're not corresponding. Therefore, no, these lines are not parallel. Are these parallel? Let's see, we have same side interior angles, and if you recall, those need to add up to 180. So we'll do 81 plus 89, which would give us 170. That does not add up to 180, so no, these are not parallel. Which value of x makes these lines parallel? Well, right now we have same side interior. Same side interior adds to 180, so we're going to add these to 180. 12x plus 5 plus 17x plus 1 equals 180. 29x plus 6 equals 180. 29x equals 174. And x equals 6. When x is 6, these two values will add up to 180 and make it parallel. I apologize. And that is it. Remember that there are only four ways to prove parallel. If you have any questions, let me know.